Welcome back to Miss Shea's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I marinated my wings and also the ribs. So today it's wings and barbecued ribs recipe. So I used the dunked sauce and I used the spare ribs marinade. I kept them for 8 hours in the fridge. That's why you can see everything is really marinated and it looks amazing. After that, I'm going to just put it in my foil. So I did put some of the extra sauces in the foil so that everything, guys, I'm in love with ribs. So I did 2 ribs, is that how we can call it? Okay, I put 2 separate ribs in the foil, but it was still the same recipe, same spices, same everything. This time I used sauces. So we're going to take our ribs outside and we are going to barbecue them. Yes, guys, we are going outside to actually barbecue these. And then we've got our wings. With the wings, I used the marinade, Nando's pepper and the dunked sauce as well. So in the fridge for 8 hours, and this is how they came out. So I'm just going to take these and put them in my air fryer. So I air fried the wings and I barbecued the ribs. Guys, it's amazing. I will be giving you guys barbecue recipes as often as I can because I do enjoy barbecuing. And so after putting them in this, I went to my air fryer, put them in the air fryer, and then on top I used the chicken option, so it gives you the minutes and everything by just pressing chicken. So this was my ribs. After barbecuing them, I'm just going to slice them into pieces ready to serve. Guys, these wings were mouth watering and very delicious. Please do try them and let me know what you think about it. But guys, as a food lover, this was hitting different. I would personally have stopped buying ribs because this is my go-to recipe. Those were the other ones because I made 2 separate. And then this was my wings after air frying. So I served it with the different salads. You can find the salads recipe on some of the videos in the dark as well. So this is how I served them. Do let me know what you think of the recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. So you guys can view the other videos and you can make the exact platter. Love you guys.